What if I told you the next war in the skies won't be fought by fighter pilots but by invisible machines, swarms of drones and weapons that think faster than any human ever could? This isn't science fiction, this is happening right now. And it's about to change aerial warfare forever. Strap in. Because what you're about to see might just be the future of every battle fought above our heads. From autonomous fighter jets to hypersonic missiles that can hit targets before you even hear them coming, military superpowers are investing billions in tech that could decide the fate of wars before they even start. And the craziest part, some of this tech already exists. Imagine a fighter pilot with an army of robotic wingmen. That's the Loyal Wingman Project, a game-changing AI-powered drone that flies alongside manned jets, gathers intel, and even takes the hit if needed. Developed by Boeing and now adopted by countries like Australia and the US, this tech makes every human pilot more lethal and more protected. It's like having backup that never sleeps, never hesitates, and never misses. Speed used to be a luxury. Now it's a weapon. Hypersonic missiles like Russia's Zircon or the US Air Force's ARRW travel at over Mach 5, fast enough to outpace most missile defense systems. They don't just fly fast, they maneuver mid-flight, making them nearly impossible to stop. In the next decade, whoever masters hypersonics might just control the skies. Humans make decisions in seconds. AI makes them in microseconds. That difference could mean life or death in aerial combat. The US Air Force is already testing AI co-pilots. China is investing in autonomous drone fleets. And DARPA? They're simulating entire dogfights with AI, and guess what? The AI wins. This isn't just automation, it's the dawn of machine warfare. Stealth was once the ultimate advantage. Now, quantum radar threatens to make it obsolete. China and Canada are racing to develop quantum sensors that could detect even the most invisible aircraft. If they succeed, even the mighty F-35 might not be able to hide. The rules of the game are changing fast. Aerial warfare is being rewritten not by generals but by engineers, coders, and AI. The battlefield of the future won't be about who has the best pilots but who has the smartest machines. And the crazy part? This is just the beginning. If you're as obsessed with cutting-edge military tech as we are, you're in the right place. This is Throttle Wars. Subscribe now and don't blink because the future flies fast.